Oh. Oh, look. Look, Ellie. Oh, look. Ellie, look. Ellie, look.
Yeah.
Look at Doopy. Isn't she cute? Look at her face. Look, Ellie, look. Oh. I think she likes all them cuddles, look. Look at Doopy, look. She's like a little baby. Ellie, stop eating your hair. Look at baby Doopy, look. I think she likes that, Phoebe. Oh. Is it Dooby?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that cat is loving all them. Right, so where are we now? Are we in the kitchen, Phoebe?
Yeah.
Okay. So what have you done with...
Oh.
Wait, this is
Isn't it? You've got somewhere to hide your coats as well. Stop
and
eating
the
your hair.
other ones are the boy coats.
Boy coats. You got a boy coat cupboard and a girl coat cupboard.